Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is hepatitis. Students, let us first understand the meaning of the word hepatitis. Students, this word basically means inflammation of the liver. Now let us break it down. The word is made up of two parts, hepa and itis. Now students, the word hepatic comes from hepatic. You must have known or you must have studied this, that the blood vessels of the liver are called as hepatic vein and hepatic artery. This is because the word hepatic itself means liver or something related to the liver. So the second part of the word, that is itis. Students, always remember this. Itis in biology means inflammation. That is why we say hepatitis, meaning inflammation of the liver. Similarly, you can find other words. For example, conjunctivitis, that is inflammation of the conjunctiva, one of the coverings of the eye. Yes? So students, now we know what is meant by the word hepatitis, that is inflammation of the liver. Moving on students, let us see the various types of hepatitis. The very first one and one of the most common one is hepatitis A. It is caused by the hepatitis A virus and it usually spreads through contaminated water and even sometimes contaminated food. The other types are hepatitis B and C. There are also other types but which are very rare, that is hepatitis D and E. All of these, including hepatitis B and C, do not spread through contaminated food or water. In fact, they spread through blood and other bodily fluids. Students, the other types, that is hepatitis B, C, D and E, can also spread through sexual contact and therefore they can also be considered as type of STDs, meaning sexually transmitted diseases.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.